Hey guys, we're going to do another quick video for you today. And this video is going to be again about the Adaily CRM and specifically how it interacts with the Adaily software, how we share data from the Adaily software with the CRM so that you can then use that data, the customer information, the order information in various ways in the CRM. So that's really going to be one of the first things you want to do. Once you sign up for the CRM with us, you're going to want to make sure that you follow this video and make sure that the two are integrated with each other so that data can be shared. And the way that you do that is through the automations tab on the CRM. When you click on the automations tab, you're going to see a list of 5 different automations that are pre-built for your rental company. Now you can build out additional automations as you go and as you get used to using the CRM and what it's capable of, but we give you these 4 pre-built ones, and they have to do with things that happen in a daily so that you can share that information with your CRM. The 4 that we're going to be working with primarily right here are the customer. So what this does is when a customer is created in a daily, it'll automatically create a customer in your CRM or a contact here. The customer invoice, anytime any type of rental order is established in a daily, whether it be a draft, an estimate, or an invoice, it's going to create an opportunity right here in your CRM and add it to the appropriate stage of the rental order pipeline. If you look in here in opportunities, we have this rental order pipeline that is pre-built with your CRM when it comes to you. And we have these various stages of the rental order. We start with a draft, then it becomes an estimate, finally an invoice, and then after that we prep the items, we load them onto the trucks, we deliver them, and they get returned. And finally, our final automation, we will ask for a review from that customer. So all of these stages are enabled for you to be able to track the status of your orders as they move through the sales cycle. And we automatically do that as you work with the orders in a daily. So that's what this one does. The delivery status one is a specific one that will update the opportunity and move it into either delivered or picked up status. And then items prepped is for moving the opportunity into the items prepped stage of the rental sales pipeline. So the way that we do this is you're going to want to have 2 tabs open. You'll have the CRM as well as the daily tab. Okay, you log into your daily account, and then you're going to click on this first one up here, customer, and you'll see the workflow that has been created for you. The only thing you have to do, this is already done and saved, it's ready to go, it should be published as well. So what you have to do is just click on the trigger. This is a premium webhook trigger. And what's important is this URL, this post get put URL. This URL is what you'll need to copy. So you copy that and then you're going to paste it in a specific field in your daily account. Once you sign up for our CRM, you're going to have an additional tab in your integrations page here. So you click on integration, you'll see high level here. So you click that and then you have these 4 fields that you need to paste those URLs. So this particular one is our customer created URL, so we'll put that in there. And then it's just a matter of going through each one of these. So you go back, hop into the customer invoice, click on the trigger here, grab this URL. This one's going to be the invoice created URL. And then we'll just go back to the delivery status. Same thing, different URL. This is the update status URL. And then finally, the items prepped. Once you've entered all 4 in, just click submit, and now it should save it. And so now what will happen is anytime in a daily as you're working, when you create a new order or a new customer, it's going to send that information to the CRM. So I'll give you an example here. So if I'm now connected, so I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this top order here, and it'll become a draft. There we go. Okay, so I have a draft for Russell and a bunch of information. What's the amount? 180.84. So now if I hop over to the CRM, click back, and then jump into my opportunities tab, I should now see that draft show up in the opportunity, as an opportunity in the draft stage of this rental order pipeline. Let me get rid of this for you. So we have the rental order pipeline here. Russell Matthias, new order in the draft stage. I can click on it, gives me the order number that you can reference in a daily, phone number of the customer, customer's email, all of that information, the value of the opportunity, and now you can work with this and do a bunch of different things. Once, if you do something in here, let's say we talk to the customer and they want us to send them an estimate, we save it as an estimate. We've done that. Now it's become an estimate number 20247. It should automatically now move into the estimate phase of the order pipeline. Give it a chance to load here, and there it is. So you can see I didn't do anything to move it. It's just as I work with it in a daily, it automatically moves over. And there we go. And then the same thing if you go into, now this is now an order and I go into the prep items, should be for August 17th. I go in here and I believe it's 20247 right here. If I were to prep these items, they would then go into the items prep stage. And then if you pull it up on your phone and you load all the items, it's going to move it to the loaded phase. If you mark it as delivered, it'll move over to the delivered. So now it's completely set up. It's completely integrated. Everything you do and interact with this invoice, it's going to update it here in the CRM. And the nice thing about that is now you can create your own automations based off of the stages, based on the various stages of this opportunity. And so that enables you to do so many different things. You can communicate with your customer automatically based on the updated opportunity status. For example, maybe you want to send a text message to the customer once their items have been prepped and staged in the warehouse, letting them know, hey, your rental order with all these items, we've got it all prepped in the warehouse, it's cleaned and ready to go, it's about to get loaded onto the trucks. Maybe you communicate with them again once you load it onto the trucks and you send another text message out. Now your small rental company becomes sort of like an Amazon where you're communicating automatically with your customers in real time, giving them status updates of the order as you do them. You don't have to do anything else. All you do is continue working as you would with the daily software, and it's sending these messages to your customers, giving them status updates so that you're not fielding phone calls from your customers, wondering where their orders are, what stage it's in, all of those. So this saves you valuable time and money, and it just makes your company look a lot more professional. So that's really all we wanted to do today. If you have any questions on that, definitely reach out to us or leave them in the comments below. But we'll see you in the next video.